right here, beautiful, right off the elevator. Let's go in. Let's hit it. Boom. So we're just staying in a standard room, firework view. You walk in straight into a very nice, hello there, very lovely bathroom. Love the monorail right there. Love that. And it's got the Incredibles look to it. Huge shower, tub. Love it. Separate toilet room. Love the theming. Love the decorations. This is looking real good. Come over here. Look at this. I love the fake Incredible superhero suits hanging up. This is cool. Got some drawers. You keep coming in. We got another, this is a little shelving for you. I don't know if we lost it. In-room Keurig right there. Adjoining rooms if you got that. And then here we go. Here's the bedroom. How beautiful. The crib is already here. We've got the Incredibles theming. It's going to be tight. There's 6 of us. We're going to have a baby in the middle. Mom and dad, 2 kids here. And then we got a little pull-down sleeper sofa right there. It's a beautiful thing. Let's see if we can make it happen. Yes, there it is. That's it. You just pull it out. So it's just a single. It's going to be tight for the 6 of us, but we knew we could fit here. And then let's come out. I mean, the showstopper. The reason we're here, if you remember from the Riviera, we got the double locks. Oh my goodness. And this is the reason we came. We were able to get a fireworks view room. Look at that. Look at the castle. Space Mountain, Tron, you got Astro Orbiter, you got the monorail. The fireworks view from here is going to be amazing. Now the time right now, 8:05. Fireworks are in about an hour and a half, so we've got plenty of time. But wow, look how high up we are. We're on the 9th floor. This is amazing. Everybody's pumped up. We don't care that it's 8 o'clock. We've been driving for 9 hours. We don't care. We're pumped up about it. This is awesome. Would highly recommend this room.
This is my favorite hotel.
And this is the reason why. Look at that view. Just amazing. And we are back. This is so cool. Never had a fireworks view room. Never stayed at the Contemporary. But, I mean, look at that. That's... wow. That's all I can say.